Oh my gosh, who is this new boy at school? God,
He looks cute.
He looks cute.
Oh my gosh, he says that he likes
Sports. And
he likes science. That is my favorite subject.
and his favorite color is chocolate.
So it's my favorite color.
Oh, looks like chocolate.
Well, I guess I'll just shut my computer for the day.
That's never gonna happen though. Little.
Now let's move everything over to her. She's like going in the living room. Oh no, school's starting.
Okay, school's starting.
Oh no, she goes in the living room.
Okay, but she only has a mother. She only has a mother. Hi, sweetheart. What happened?
I was just texting on my computer, Mom.
Okay.
My old boyfriend, Josh, dumped me.
Oh, so sorry. What about this? We go to the store after school. Okay?
Sure, Mom. Just let me go to school.
And I'll let you do whatever you want.
Go to school, okay, Mom? I got the new boy.
No, this is my new boy.
No, not that. Where's the new boy? Excuse me, may I sit here?
Excuse me, may I sit here?
No, I'm sitting here by the new boy, thank you. Ow! God, what is wrong with you? My science teacher. Oh, ouch. Well, class, we have a new kid. Is anybody late? Excuse me, sir, I'm late. I'm so sorry. That's okay, miss. That's okay. So,
Excuse me, sir, I'm late.
that's okay. You're not too late. You're not too late.
Will y'all play with?
I'm late.
Will y'all play with?
Yes. Can we play with it, please?
Class, today we have a new child. Will you come up? Hi, my name is Josh. My favorite color is
Chocolate.
My favorite color is chocolate, just like whoever this is right here. And she also looks kind of chocolatey. So that's
Who's hungry?
well. Everyone, class is dismissed. School's dismissed. Hey, do you wanna maybe meet? No. Do you maybe wanna come to my house? Say sure.
Sure.
But everybody's leaving.
Just not today because I'm going to